So my first question to kick us off is going to come to you, Simon, in the first instance, and then I'll open it up to others. Simon, in your evidence to us, you were quite punchy, and you said the UK is a bystander in the global battery arms race, and that there's a land grab for critical minerals to fuel it. Are we already too far behind, or can we catch up?
We can catch up, most definitely. We are very far behind. This kind of global battery arms race, if you like, this build-out of lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles and for energy storage began in earnest 2015, really, and it really kind of then took off in, let's say, outside of China and Japan and Korea in 2018. And then the US has really got its act together with the Inflation Reduction Act, so we're seeing the US really push ahead with battery plants and the supply chains to fuel them. The UK at the moment doesn't have a strategy, doesn't have a runner in this race. Can talk about electric vehicles, can talk about being involved in energy storage and solar and wind, but unless you're making batteries here, unless you've got the chemical plants to fuel those batteries, the midstream of this supply chain, you're not involved in the industry, you're not involved in this energy storage revolution. So in summary, the UK acting now is for 2030 and beyond. The UK, as providing the government gets a strategy together, helps with the money to attract players here, 2030 and beyond, we're good. Up until that point, it's going to take that long to build the supply chain.